Hey guys, today's like a really rainy day. Like, do you want to see? Like, I will show you. Okay guys, this is how rainy it is outside. And it's like really rainy here. I need to grab this umbrella. It's like, yeah, I don't want to get wet, you know? Mommy, there's nothing to do. I'm so bored. It's just raining and we can't go play outside. Honey, it's fine. Like, we can do tons of other things. It could be our little rainy day. What are you talking about? Like, we could go and color, boring. Or we could play with Legos, boring. We could play Monopoly, boring. What can we do if you are saying boring to everything? I have no idea. That's why I asked you. Let's see. We could run in our fort in the back of our backyard. Yeah, that's more like it, Mommy. That's more like it. And we could color in there. Yes, Mama, that's more like it. And maybe we could let's see. We can do some good crafts in there. Yes, Mommy, that's more like it. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, but we're gonna have to get the umbrella. Okay, here's the umbrella. Get under it real quick so we don't get wet in the rain. Okay. 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 Now, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get your siblings, and they're gonna head to the store and get some coloring stuff. I mean, not head to the store, but they're gonna order it on Walmart.com or something. I don't even know. And I'm just too old. I don't know how technology works. So you're funny, Mommy. And let's see. We could get them to get some crowns and paper and coloring books. What about that? Yes. Oh, let's just forget about that. And you could maybe I could get a book, and we could get some video games maybe. Yes, Mommy. Okay, I'll get your siblings. Hey, Jack and Nevaeh, since it's a really rainy day, I was thinking maybe you all would want to go and get some crowns, not get some crowns, get some crowns and stuff delivered, and we could go in the backyard and do some stuff. Oh, yeah, I'd love to. Okay, I'll order it on my phone. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Delivered. Okay, it says it's delivered. Not delivered, but as in it's here, delivered in the website. So it's gonna be here soon. Okay. Here, we're gonna go and set up our the backyard for our little rainy day. Okay. My order's not going through. I think I'm just gonna go to the actual store. Okay. See you later, honey. Bye. Oh, there's someone at the door. Just act like those packages were never here. Just act like she's holding them. Oh, she looks freezing. Here, come inside. I'm freezing. The rain is it's pouring down, and it's freezing cold rain. Oh, I'm so sorry you had to wait out there. I'm so sorry. What's the packages for, though? Do you know? Oh, they're actually for this thing, where it's called Rainy Day. rainy day packages, and all the landlords have been giving them out to their to the kids at their houses. So then they don't have boring rainy days. But we don't live with a landlord house. Like, we don't rent a house. We bought this house. I know, but it's from your old landlord. He wanted it. He's really good friends. Like, he just really loves your parents. They were so nice. So he decided that he would give us all this stuff. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, bye. Here. Wait, real quick. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I got you a towel to dry off with. Oh, thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna go head out. Hope you all like your stuff. I'm just gonna, like, this is my last house, so I'm just gonna go back home. Oh, okay, bye. Okay, well, let's go tell my mom. Oh, look what they have done. This is crazy. It's crazy, Mom. Like, this is huge. I know, honey. It looks so cute, too. Where'd you get this stuff? We just found some spare wood and we made it. What? Okay, we're just gonna completely ignore what you just said. And yeah. Okay. Well, anyways. So I got, like, some paper. There was, like, this lady, and she gave us, like, a rainy day box. It's from our old landlord. She said, oh, our old landlord was so sweet. Yeah, she said that, like, he loved you all, and, like, because he was, like, because he thought you all were so nice, so he decided that he was going to give us a rainy day box. So, yeah, that's what happened. And, yeah, so I got tons of stuff from, like, the rainy day box. But the thing is like, I don't really know if they would like it. I'm pretty sure they would, but, like, I'm not really sure. That's the thing. Like, what's in there? Like, crowns, markers, paper, and all that different stuff, you know? And has video games, too. Oh, okay, they would love that. Okay, so, let's see. Let's just put all of, like, the magazines and notebooks and stuff. Like, maybe we could just put them on there. Okay. Just put that there. I love that. I love that cat. It's a famous, but then also, like, it's like one of the best cats ever. Okay, well, so we got, like, a lot of we got, like, a lot of things. So yeah, but then also yeah. Don't ask what I'm singing. Okay. Okay, so we have 2 controllers. Okay. Pause. Forget I ever opened this. Remember the power of pause. Okay, we're just gonna, like, act like it's raining too. So yeah. Because it wasn't raining for some reason anymore. So yeah. Well, it's fine. We can get wet for just a second. Let's put all the video games over here. Because that's, like, where, sorry, like, I say, a lot. So, yeah. But anyways, so, like, we, like, are just gonna put, like, the video games over there. Yeah. Well, so this is actually pretty fun. And also, I am going to maybe like put up a poll on like which other role plays you want me to do in the future. Because I already have like a list of ones I want to do, but then also I would rather like do what you all want me to do. Oh, this is for a whole different thing. Just spoiler. JK, it's literally just cuts for mouthwash. It's not really a spoiler. But anyways, don't ask what the sound I just made with my mouth is. To be honest, I don't know. Well, anyways, oh, didn't know that could happen. Well, Sissy, look at my drawings. They're beautiful. What game should we play? Let's play Sloth Simulator. Okay. I love this game. It's so fun. I'll go see who's at the door. Okay. Oh, hi, Logan. Hi. Hi, Nevaeh. What you doing here? It's raining. Did you just walk all the way here? No, I drove here. Oh, okay, good. What do you want to do? Oh, no, do you want to watch a movie? Sure. Where's all my things? I can't find the one I need. Seriously. Okay. Do you all see the kissing one? Yeah, I don't. Anywhere. Well, he's her boyfriend. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Hey, actually, we're having like a thing in our backyard, and we're just like playing video games. You want to come? Oh, sure. Hi, Logan. I'm swallowed. Where's the control? This one? Okay. I bet you can't beat me. But you can't beat my high score. Oh, yes, I can. Definitely. I can definitely beat your high score. I can't. No, I didn't mean to do that. Actually, let's watch something else. Okay, I'm just gonna put this. Everything will change, yeah, I need underneath the tree. Then, one day, everything changed, yeah, I need. Okay, guys, sorry, I didn't realize I was still recording. So, but then, Wednesday, everything just not? Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna see if they come back yet. Just come back, bro. You'll just be your right right there. Come on. well, I think I'm gonna go. Why? I'm just gonna go. I'm going to the park. But Logan, it's raining. So, you can still go to the park if it's raining. There's snow all good. Logan. Okay, I guess so. Bye. My hair clip. Need my hair clip. Hair clip. Okay, there we go. Where are we going? Most definitely not going to the park. The stupid park. Meanwhile, I love you, babe. So like, where do you want to go next? I have no idea. You should just like never talk to Nevaeh. Never. Because yeah, she's just like, I don't want her to know. Okay. Whatever you say. Oh, sorry. Don't ask what's on my screen. Okay. The notification. Well, anyways, okay, so like, you guys might not understand what's happening, but she's gonna like lean on it, and like she's like not gonna know, but like she didn't know, but like they have their own like radio station, and they talk about like all the sales, and she doesn't know that intercom is what goes to the radio station, and currently Nevaeh is listening to the radio station, so she accidentally hits it, and then whatever she says, then it goes to the radio station. So yeah, like we just can't let Nevaeh know that we're dating behind her back, because she would get like really mad. And, you know, she's like really annoying. Yeah, we all know I only date her for the money. Okay, people, on today's news, we're going to be listening to the radio station. Okay. You know, we just can't let Nevaeh know that, like, we're dating behind her back. You know? Can't let her know that we're dating behind her back. Yeah, I know, really, like, you know, I'm only dating her for the money. I like you way more. What? I'm turning this thing off right now. Stop, turn off. I hate this. Calling him right now. How dare you cheat on me? How dare you cheat on me, Logan? How dare you? Hey, I don't even know why I irritated you in the first place. Even the money wasn't worth it. You're just a freaking loser. You know what? I don't care about him. I'm gonna let the whole world know what he did. I'll do it at school next week. I know I will. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, that's all for today's roleplay. Hope you liked it. It kind of went off like a little cliffhanger. I might make a part 2. I don't really think that many people care about it though, so I don't really know if I will. But I might. So yeah. Oh, and also, if I say in my description or like on my other videos that I only post on, let's see what day it is real quick. I only post on 2:41. I mean, I say 2:41, that's the time. I'm in the day. That I only post on Saturday and Wednesdays. If I end up saying that in my videos, I mean Saturdays, Wednesdays, and yeah, it's just Saturdays and Wednesdays. But if it says that, Just know that sometimes I might post other than that. But yeah, so bye.